Got you some gloves.
Oh,
Here's something special.
this is something special, is it?
Yeah. So this has been at Rolex's special service centre, right?
Wow.
Where they have their...
I've never seen this box before.
No. Yeah.
Atelier de Restauration,
Yeah.
Geneva.
So these are Rolex's best people.
These are the top dogs.
This is where you send something really special. And this watch has been away for 2 years.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It is.
Oh my god.
I know, look at it.
Well, where's the box come from? Is this with the watch as well?
No, this is where you get it back from the restoration.
This is more than $1,000 for this sort of service, isn't it? Oh my god. Look at that box.
It's beautiful.
Look how special that is. You don't usually see that, mate.
There's something really special inside.
Oh my word. What the heck is it?
So this is Rolex's first quartz.
Oh my gosh.
So it's a Beta 21 movement, which was made by many of the watcher companies, remember, got together because they were scared about the Far East and them getting quartz watches quicker. So they all joined together and made this fantastic watch.
Wow.
Yeah. So they made very limited numbers of this.
Is this somebody's? Does somebody own this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. How'd you get it off? Wow. This is incredible. Oh, the straps. That's not Rolex at all, isn't it?
None of it is
That is
Rolex.
not Rolex. The case is not Rolex. The lugs. What the heck?
Yeah.
The crowns. Oh my god.
So it's nicknamed the Texano. It's really interesting. And they made, I think, 1,000 models in yellow gold and about 100 in white gold.
Oh my god.
So when it comes to rare Rolexes.
That is incredible. Wow. It's quite chunky.
Yeah.
For what is inside. What I absolutely love is the smooth sweep.
Yeah, it's nice.
How have they done that?
I don't know if you often look at the newer, the Oyster Quartz. They're really nice watches.
But how have they done that smooth sweep? Because I know the likes of Bolivar have got this high vibrations, but that is special.
Yeah.
Do you reckon that's rarer than a Le Mans Daytona?
I don't know how many they made, but yeah, I would have imagined so.
That is special. Very cool.
But you'd like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Knowing that there's...
That reminds me of the Seamaster Ploprof, that bracelet.
That's exactly what I thought when I saw it.
That's proper sporty. With a hint of dressy. And that was their answer.
Yep, a relic of the time.
That was their answer to the quartz crisis. It shows you that it wasn't a fly-by-night thought to do a watch.
No, yeah.
This is a proper, everything's been redesigned. We have to do something different here.
Yeah, but all the big boys were involved in this.
Yeah.
So many, so much effort and research.
Wow. That is phenomenal, matey. I can't give it to you because you haven't got any gloves on.
Yeah.
What a special watch. Only to be found at BQ once again.
Yeah, we're very lucky.
Superb. Wow. I mean, I was impressed with the box.
You had fun the box.
You do not see boxes like that.
Guess how much the restoration cost?
Crikey, I didn't even think about restoration on a what was it, 1975? What did you say?
With their special people, remember?
What was the date of the watch?
70s.
70s. I would say, I mean, that is very special. They'd have to get some of that retirement just to sort it out. I would say restoration, £5,000.
Not a bad guess.
Yeah?
Not about £8,000.
£8,000. How much is the watch? How much is it?
I don't know if they priced it yet. It's just come in.
How much do you reckon?
How much would I want for it?
Oh.
I don't know. Because they're so rare.
Know.
Yeah. And this one,
if that goes in auction,
remember?
If that goes in a proper auction, I mean, that could be so much. And if we can make a story that Steve McQueen had one.
Yeah, okay.